luxury vinyl tile is gaining popularity as a top commercial flooring option. It produces the look of wood or stone without extensive maintenance. However, maintaining LVT does present its own challenges. NCL's luxury vinyl tile cleaning and protection program meets those challenges while preserving and protecting your LVT flooring investment. Next Century produces a maintainable wear layer to improve cleaning efficiency and resist water to improve the floor's slip resistance. Applying Next Century will not only provide a protective barrier, but it will also produce a high gloss to reveal the true character, color, and beauty of the luxury vinyl tile or linoleum floor surfaces. It is an optimal choice for both new alternative floors and older surfaces in need of revitalization.